So here we go. Look at this. Crazy. He's gonna go fix my window. I just don't want it to crack and then it spread, because it did a pretty good job of spreading. Precision is the key. All right, let me see. Right in the middle. Almost there. We're gonna fix this thing. It's gonna look brand new. Okay, now comes these little plastic strips right here. Look at the intense lips. Eat it, boy. It cracked up. Spray. Okay, where's the little lid? All right, so now we got to give it 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we'll show you the results. See what kind of results that we have on this. I'm gonna take this off. It might need a little bit more, so let's check it out. smear it, but it looks like a lot of the crack is gone. I might need to re-hit it a little bit right there. The little crack right there, there's a lot of the repair inside it, so it should begin to disappear. Might still be a little something, but at least it won't run anymore. Mom will be happy. Scrape off some of that. I gotta let it dry some more. It's still a little wet. So we're gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna scrape it all off and then we'll have the complete reveal later. Well, if I must say so myself, looks pretty good. Crack is barely visible. That's where the rock hit. You can almost, it's almost gone. Just a little spot right there. But it's sealed. It's actually sealed. You can't even feel the knob. And then the line there. And Mama's happy. Mama's happy. Here we are. Finished product. There is just a little tiny spot. You can't even see it, especially with this camera. You really can't see it, but the little mark on the very bottom down there, there's that one little glare. I couldn't get that little glare out back there. But other than that, the line just about disappeared. If you'd like me to come over and work on your windshield, according to Mike Keats, he says it's $995. I'll come and I'll fix your windshield just like this for $995. No warranty and no guarantee. But Mama's happy.
Yes.
Okay, so I finished the windshield. Let me tell you just a real quick tip. If you ever get a cracked windshield, if you notice what Lisa did is immediately we ran to Walmart to go get the Rain-X crack remover. took me about 30 minutes or so for me to get it all done. Cost about $8, $9. $8, $9 and 30 minutes of my time, and I just saved on the Tesla probably a decent $1,000 windshield. And there's just small little areas that you'll be able to see that the crack is there. But other than that, you're really not going to get a lot of reflex. You know how sometimes the sun catches it, gets inside your eyes. You're not going to have that issue with it. So I don't know how many times we've done this. I think one vehicle, remember we had one vehicle with like 11 or 15 of these little divots everywhere, but you couldn't see them. They all disappeared, and only in the valley. We need to get our valley city officials to sweep up the pebbles and the rocks that are out on the side of the road, and we're going to have this problem. So it's all over the place. Check this out. Look at all those pebbles and all that junk. Those are all pebbles on the side of the highway. And they would just be picked up, then it won't show up over here. It'll be completely gone. Only in the valley. But look, it's all gone. You can't see the reflection. You can't see and the sun is right in front of us. So typically it'd be real bad and you'd see it. There's a small glare down there on the bottom. But you can barely see it. Mama's happy with me.